Good evening, welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Shentle. Here are the top stories of the day. President, Vice President and Prime Minister expressed greetings to all countrymen on the start of the sacred Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath today. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visits Okapara and Melim in southwest Garo Hills. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee felicitates Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma at the Usosotham Auditorium. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee entrusts Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma to choose the candidate for Gambegre bypolls. And a landowner demands the fulfillment of an agreement or to return the donated land. Let's look at the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed greetings to all countrymen on the start of the sacred Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath today. In a social media post, Murmu said that today, countless Jagannath lovers from across the country and the world are enthusiastically waiting to see the three forms of God seated on the chariot. Vice President Dhankar said Sri Jagannath Rath Yatra holds deep historical and cultural significance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a social media post, bowed to Lord Jagannath. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited Okapara and Melim in South Garo Hills, addressing pressing local issues during his maiden visit. At Okapara, Sangma witnessed the dire condition of the Damalgre to Melim to Boldamgre road and promptly sanctioned 8 crore rupees for its emergency reconstruction. He urged PWD officials to begin levelling work immediately to alleviate the area's transportation woes. In Melim, Sangma engaged with the Melim Area Beekeepers Association, acknowledging their role in local agriculture. He also inspected proposed sites for the facilities at Hajongpara and recommended including an approach road in the project proposal. The Meghalaya Congress on Saturday felicitated Lok Sabha MP from Tura parliamentary seat Saleng A. Sangma at the Usosatham Auditorium in Shillong. Present on the occasion were MPCC President Vincent H. Pala, Working President Deborah C. Marak, CLP leaders besides others. Addressing the gathering, the Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma has predicted that the Congress will form the government in the state in 2028. He said the Congress will return to power at the centre by winning a larger number of seats in the 2029 Lok Sabha polls. For the Gambegre bypolls, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala said that they have called for the application. The party, however, has entrusted Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma to choose the candidate. Stating that this is a must-win election with political bosses putting their kin as candidates, Pala said it will be one of the most interesting elections in Garo Hills. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma is putting his wife as a candidate, so he has to win the elections. Dr. Mukul Sangma is putting his sister-in-law, the wife of Zenith Sangma, so it is a must-win election for them as well. And for the Congress too, this will be a must-win election.
Definitely, but we'll entrust Honorable MP to make our candidate win. And definitely he has to say whom he want to give a ticket. We'll definitely support whatever reasons. But they have called for the applications. How many will apply? We are yet to receive the applications.
Stating that 80% of the ministers in Conrad Sangma's cabinet are from the Congress, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President said if anyone wants to return to Congress, there is a system. Asked about if Dr. Mukul Sangma and others want to join Congress, Pala said the party is like a mother party that allows anybody to join, but for certain categories of leaders, there are procedures that the AICC has to take a call. And as for now, there is a system, and that system will decide who can join.
We will welcome. I took up the matter even in AICC also, I met our High Command. I told them that in case if they come, so we welcome anybody supports our ideology. Salang was always in touch with them, but at the same time we respect their ideology, we respect their whatever decision they are taking. We have no control over them. But in case if we need them, if we request them, if they come, we welcome that. There's no issue on this.
The annual Wisdom Week at the Wisdom Centre in Umdihar, Ribhoi district concluded yesterday. The Wisdom Centre, a retreat for youths recovering from drug addiction, hosted the event. VPP MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang attended as the chief guest alongside Reverend David Jamir, director of Wisdom Centre. The week featured various activities involving the centre's youth with prizes and certificates awarded at the event. In his address, Marbanyang praised the centre for its positive impact on both the youth and their families.
But the message nam tajuki kalomba ini nombor ban kata udrox nomor udrox la ban nombor ban kata tadi kejem kejong uneka kena ini samla ini kirang ba kirang ngop ha udrox kan ini uni ulam kata ru ya kayang kesen terhentam ya keimlang salang hi baru hoi.
The MLA of Mairang constituency met Bat Lingdo after a meeting between farmers and the Minister of Agriculture, Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, held at the District Agricultural Officer Eastern West Khasi Hills District, has urged the Minister to provide help and support to the farmers of the areas. He also informed her that the budget for the farmers in these areas is very small. Dr. Ampreen Lingdo has assured him that she will look into the matter.
Kadang long bodoh nak apa tata, ki baik ba, norap ki dang don kam sibon ki kesana, dang kam sibon ki kesana kalian jong ke department, akabedi bat, kamera yang jong ke dong kam tam makan ke por ke bumanta, kalau ki brief ki kerdu bah, na dong sedang ki kerdu bah no, telarang ngim support, na kalian jong ke sarkar, ke government, ke department, ya ke ek baki baik ba ki don kam, ke balong tang kamera.
In a developing dispute, a landowner who donated her land to the Horticulture Department in 2012 has issued a stern ultimatum: fulfill the original agreement or she will reclaim the land. The issue came to light on Saturday during an inspection of the land by leaders of Hima Jirang, Umlakro village, the Khasi Students Union Jirang Circle and Seng Samla Umlakro. These local leaders have vowed to support the landowner in her quest for justice and plan to follow up on the matter with the concerned department. More than a decade having passed, the promises of employment opportunities have not materialized, leaving the landowners frustrated and demanding action.
Kani kejeng pular kepada nakaliang jong ka sarkar, kepada office kejong sim jong Hima Jirang. Bat harengkat jong ki bahaying ki bahasem wilayah soi kum ka sos pular. Ale hadu menta basusi kalong ban penpau kalong baka nakaliang jong ka sarkar kampat syam lali AA.
In our human minds, we often think that if we can't see with our eyes, how much it will affect us in our daily lives. But if you look at the people with disabilities, especially those who cannot see, we see them walking and understanding the path they walk through the white cane and how they make their living. Here's a report.
To understand more about this, Dudashan Meghalaya has spoken to Lucy Lamare, a person who cannot see but who sells kwai without any problems. Lucy said that at the time of her birth, she lost her parents and was raised by her grandmother. But when she was 2 years old, she lost her vision due to cataracts. She said that her eyes were red and her family members treated her sickness with local medicines, which is why she lost her eyes.
Te hadin bala khai menga te email aklan no naksla ka prathe te lari no imi ijanga te hadin kata ki ong naladap arsnem te sadu no ki khmat ki saw no te ki la shim lawai khasi gum to ki la kle te ki dawai bat mkhniang te sa du no ki khmat chunga.
Although she can no longer see, she wants to work hard and stand on her own feet and not to depend on others. It was in January 2024 that she found the place near Nazareth Hospital. Until now, she has been selling kwai in this place and earning her livelihood.
Te hadin ba ngalalap ye kane ka tenga sew ka sefi nga shong hungne ngala shong ban no hungne na du snem sorry na du benai beningkong jong snem ajar pusaw ngala shong ban no hungne ya shur chiyo teng khat ngal le chiyo ki jing don kam chunga bangan thit.
Lucy lived with the lead blindly trust at Laujandria, North Mai, and she has received many trainings. She paid 1,000 rupees every month for her accommodation.
Ngasa shong hanau thamai lumbusup Laujandria rengkat ka sing jong ka blindly trust organization ka bafet bakmi ya kibriu ki badon jing duna gi khotmet khamtam ya kitu kibriu ki bamdon jing pule puthi ki bakutlat kutlunti ki hikay hang taba kumno kibriu bakin im hala ki jong ki jat ki kumno bakin kran gi thana.
Lucy urged the youth of this generation not to give up but to work hard. In our lives, we human beings face many challenges, but these challenges should not be obstacles, she said. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
This is an important announcement. The state government has announced a dedicated disaster emergency number to streamline crisis management and support. For any disaster-related emergencies, please call these emergency numbers 112 and 1070. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 26.2 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 76%, rising to 89% in the evening, with no rainfall recorded. The forecast tells us moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of the top stories of the day. President, Vice President and Prime Minister expressed greetings to all countrymen on the start of the sacred Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath today. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visits Okapara and Melim in southwest Garo Hills. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee felicitates Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma at the Usoso Tham Auditorium. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee entrusts Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma to choose the candidate for the Gambe Grey by polls. And a landowner demands the fulfillment of agreement or return the donated land. That brings us to the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.